Hey guys, welcome to another morning yoga stretch with Arrivé Yoga. Today we're going to be focusing on a full body stretch, but we're focusing on winter time. So it's cold outside, we tend to kind of hermit ourselves and we're going to open up, we're going to bring the flow, we're going to bring the breath. So I want to invite you guys today to really focus and think about your breath and have that breath be what guides your movement. Go ahead and grab a cozy spot. I highly recommend just grabbing a little bit of support underneath you. Bring the legs straight out in front of you. And we're just going to slowly begin to activate the body. And stretching the legs straight out in front of you, flexing the feet, checking in real quick with the feet and the ankles, the toes, squeeze and releasing the toes. Rotating the ankles one way and then the other, reaching the arms above the head, really extending the spine. We're just going to wiggle a little bit here just to get that movement and that mobility into the spine. Start that blood flow, breathing in here. Exhale, release, and then we're going to release the hands down, round out the back, and then vertebrae by vertebrae as you inhale, come back up. Inhaling up. Exhale, release it down. Let the head be heavy. Slowly inhale, coming back up to center. Exhale, bring it down. A couple more times like this. We're really focusing on the breath. Breathing in. Exhale, releasing. Inhale up. Exhale down. Really make the breath as deep and long as possible. Taking your time here. Inhaling in. Exhale one last time. Inhale back to center. Bring it in. And then go ahead and cross that right leg over that left leg. Bring that right heel over to that left side of the hip. Stacking that right knee on top of the left knee. Deep breath in here. Breathing in. Reaching up. And exhale, release it down. We're going to do the same thing that we did earlier, except for one leg is crossed over the other, so it's going to be a little bit tighter. Be patient with yourself. Inhaling up, exhaling down. And again, remember, rather than focusing on having this perfect position, try to feel the sensation of the movement. Try to feel the tension release in that right hip, in the back of that left leg. Feel the back start to also loosen up any of that tension. Feel the breath waking up the body, waking up the energetic system in your body as well, getting that blood flowing. Breathing in one last time. Exhale, release it down and roll it back to center. Inhale, reaching the arms up, engage your core, and then we're going to slowly bring it over to the other side, extending that right leg. Feel free to move a little bit if you need in between, and whenever you feel ready, go ahead and cross it over to the other side. You could bring your hands down if you want now, just to help adjust that leg over, and then inhale, reaching up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up. Noticing how every side is different. So maybe this is a whole new experience on this side. Try not to overthink too much as it's the morning here. We're just getting our day started. This is where we gather that energy, that awesome feeling, setting the tone for our day. What is today going to be like? You get to choose. I know it sounds super cliche. Sometimes just hearing that out loud really helps. All right, last breath. Inhale in. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale back to center. And we're going to bring ourselves into a nice cross-legged position. Get a little bit side stretching going on. Left hand down, reach right arm up. Deep breath in. Exhale, bring it all the way over to the left. Inhale, deep breath. Again, we're focusing on the breath here. Exhale to the left. Inhale back up. Exhale over to the left. And then this time we're going to make full circles towards the front. So inhale to center. Exhale, left arm up. Inhale, center. We're getting full side body stretch. Also tapping into that lower back a little bit. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale to center. Last round each side. Bringing a smile to the face. As silly as it may feel, we're pretty much conditioning our body to be happy today just by throwing on a random smile. All right, last one, coming back to center, all the way back up. Deep breath in, taking this awesome new day. And then exhale, bring it back down. We're gonna make our way into a nice tabletop position. Hips underneath, knees underneath the hips. It's gonna be hard to get the hips underneath the hips. Don't listen to me this morning, guys. Still waking up. Check in with those ankles again one more time. Breathing in here. And then exhale, extend that right leg towards the back, stretching the back of that leg. Couple rounds forward and back. Bring the knee down and then bring that left leg back. Deep breath in here. Exhale, release, bring the knees down. Go ahead and bring that left leg out to the side. Extend that right leg, and we're going to open up the full front body by bringing the hips forward. And then exhale, we're going to round it forward, bringing the hips towards the back. Keep that extension in the spine. Opening up all the way to the right, and left arm's going to come up. You're softly using that leg as a support. You're not pushing down too hard, and then we're going to swing it all the way back. Inhale. Exhale, let the breath last the length of the movement. Exhaling up. Exhale down. Again, my suggestions of when to breathe are suggestive to how I'm moving. Find the flow of the breath that works well for you. All right, back to center, all the way back in. And we're gonna make it all the way to the other side. Right leg comes out, inhaling up, opening up. Exhale, all the way back. Deep breath in, right arm up. Exhale, bring it down, all the way forward. So we're waking up the body, getting all that tension out. Last round. And exhale all the way back to center. Take a moment here to just move the hips around if you need. Get the big toes to touch, knees mat width apart, and extend all the way back, extended child's pose. Release the forehead, allow the chest to be heavy. Maybe rotating one shoulder down and then the other as you roll your head side to side. Massaging the forehead again, focusing on releasing the body. On the exhale, you want to release tension, not create more tension. Relaxing all the muscles in your face, the jaw, breathing in. And then exhale, slowly bring yourself back to tabletop, knees to center. Drop the hips over to the hands, lifting the thighs, reversing the bend of the spine. Deep breath in. Gotta sweep the hair. Very professional, Cynthia. All right, inhaling in here, breathing in. Exhale, keep the tops of your feet on the ground. Lift the hips to downward facing dog, and then rotate the legs under. We're not gonna do much on a standing position today. We're just gonna incorporate a little down dog because that's always super good. Bending the knees here, shifting the hips side to side, really taking the time. Release any tension in the back of the body, releasing the head. Wonderful. Come back down onto your knees. Bring the tops of your feet into the ground, and we're just gonna do a little bit front thigh stretch, and then we're gonna call it a day. So go ahead and bring the hands behind you, fingertips pointing towards you. Extend the arms, deep breath in. And on the exhale, lift the hips up and forward, forward and up. Deep breath here. Feel that stretch in the front of the thighs. Breathing in. Exhale, release it down. Slowly bringing yourself onto your back. Hugging the knees into the chest. And I invite you, if you have a few minutes left in your day, I invite you to take a moment here to just move the body, extending the legs, stretching, whatever you need to just satisfy those last minute needed to be nourished areas. Taking a deep breath in here, exhale, letting go. Closing the eyes for a still moment. Allowing yourself to imagine and feel what it would be like for today, for you to feel exactly how you wish to feel. And understanding that you have all the tools, all the power, all the energy within you to feel how you want to feel every day, with a little bit of practice. I'm wishing you guys a beautiful day. Thank you so much for waking up with me this morning, and I'll see you next week. Namaste.